Hello, welcome back to Animated Literacy. This is lesson number 9 of the basic lessons from the Story, Song, and Action book. In lesson number 8, we learned about Mimi Mermaid and we learned her complete story and her song. So let's go back and practice her song once. First of all, to start out with her song, with Mimi Mermaid swimming through the water, so show me swimming like this and sing back to me. Mimi Mermaid, Mimi Mermaid. Now she's moving her magic mop back and forth. Moving her magic mop. Moving her magic mop. As Mimi moves her magic mop. As Mimi moves her magic mop. Now show me how those monsters are marching. The monsters march to mud. The monsters march to mud. Now we need to make Mimi Mermaid's letter M, and you can either try to make a capital M or a lowercase m. And don't worry too much whether it looks exactly like one or not. When we write the letter, we'll do it correctly. So here's mine, which is certainly not exact, but it's close enough. M's for Mimi, M's for Mimi, moving her magic mop, moving her magic mop. She marches monsters into mud. She marches monsters into mud. Now show me those monsters melting. And melts them into mice. And melts them into mice. Squeak, squeak. Now let's see if we can do all of those gestures along with the tape recording. So here we are. Show me swimming. Mimi Mermaid, moving her magic mop.
As Mimi moves her magic mop,
The monsters march to mud. M's for Mimi, moving her magic mop. She marches monsters into mud and melts them into mice. Okay, now let's try that along with Are You Sleeping, Brother John? So here we're going to start out by moving our magic mop. Are you moving a magic mop? Are you moving a magic mop? Mimi Mermaid, Mimi Mermaid. Mimi's bells are saying, Mimi's bells are saying, Ming, mong, ming, ming, mong, ming. Consonant, how do you know? It has a partner, it has ings and ongs. So let's try a couple more here. Here was Rosie Raccoon, and remember Rosie's riding Rhino Ralph, she's roping Rhino Ralph, and her sound goes rrr, so hers would be, are you roping and riding? Are you roping and riding, Rosie Raccoon, Rosie Raccoon? Rosie's pups are saying, Rosie's pups are saying, rark, 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 rark. So there, a pup doesn't go ding dong, it goes bark, bark. So we took off the b from bark, put in Rosie's sound, and we had rark, rark, and that's a consonant. Why? Because it has a partner, only this partner is ark instead of ing and ong. Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Ollie Ostrich, Ollie Ostrich. Ollie's bells are saying, Ollie's bells are saying, ah, 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 ah. Ollie's pups are saying, Ollie's pups are saying, ah, ah, ah. How come we didn't change there? Because it's a vowel, and vowels are like the cheese, they stand alone. So it doesn't matter if it's a bell or if it's a pup, it has the same sound. Are you painting? Are you painting? Polly Panda, Polly Panda. Polly's pups are saying, Polly's pups are saying, park, 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 park. Now we can start going back and forth real quickly between pups and bells by just singing the last line. Polly's pups are saying, park, park, park. Polly's bells are saying, ping, pong, ping. Uncle's pups are saying, Uncle's bells are saying, so it stays the same. Tickling. Timmy's bells are saying, ting tong ting. Timmy's pups are saying, tark, tark, tark. Lizzie's pups are saying, lark, lark, lark. Lizzie's bells are saying, ling, long, ling. So now you have to listen really carefully to see whether I'm saying pups or whether I'm saying bells, and come back with the correct sound. In our last lessons, we've learned how to read and draw 3 different words. And so each time we learn how to draw something, we put it up on our word wall and we could either put words we can read and draw, or we could put nouns we can read and draw. So let's see if you can show me the sounds for each of the things we've learned to draw. Who can show me the sounds in up? Up. Who can tell me the letters in up? U-P. Who can show me the sounds in pup? Ready? P, up. Again. P, up. And who can tell me the letters that spell pup? P-U-P. And here was pop. Who can show me the sounds in pop? P, op. Who can tell me the letters in pop? P-O-P. So you need to keep remembering that you need to do both those sounds and those letters. Today we're going to be drawing a picture of Mom. So before we do our Mom, we're going to read a book that has a very special mom in it. And this is a book called I Promise I'll Find You. And the mom in this story is telling her children that no matter where you are, no matter what happens to you, I will always come and find you. And so there's different places that mom comes to find her children. And so in the first verse, it says, if I had a little rowboat, I'd row across the sea. I'd row, 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 and bring you back to me. So no matter where you row in your boat, mom's going to come find you. On this page, mom has an airplane. So here she's telling us, if I had a little airplane, I'd fly across the sky. I'd look and look and look for you as every day went by. So again, no matter what happens, what's mom going to do? Come and find you. And here, what does mom have? Mom has a train. So this one says, if I had a little choo-choo train, I'd chug on down the track. I'd chug until I found you, and then I'd bring you back. And it keeps going on and on with all these different places that mom is going to come and find you. So we're going to be drawing a picture of a mom. Before we do that, something I forgot to talk about. Let's go back to pop here for just a moment. When we learned the word pop and we drew a picture of a pop, we drew a dad or a father and we called him Pop. But I wanted to see if you can think of some other words and other meanings for the word pop. You might like popcorn. So sometimes one word can have a lot of different meanings. You might like to drink a can of soda pop. Or you might pop a balloon. Or you might sing, all around the cobbler's bench, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in fun till pop goes the weasel. So pop can be a sound. It can be something bursting. It can be a father. So sometimes the same words can mean many different things. Well, mom usually means mom. So we're going to draw a picture of mom today. And then we're going to label it with her letters. And when we do the letters, we'll make an M that really looks like an M, even if the one that we did before didn't look too much like an M. So we'll have your paper in front of you. Now we're going to practice waiting, because what does waiting do? It makes you smarter, makes you wiser. So hold your pen up and wait. Don't take the cap off yet. On the count of 3, reach over. 1, 2, 3. Take the cap off. Now wait till 3 to put it on the back. 1, 2, 3. And hold your pen up and wait for me to draw eyes. So once again, when I draw my eyes, I'm going to make 2 little circles. Draw your eyes. And then show me waiting for your pupils. Now I'm going to put a little dot inside each circle for the pupil. Show me when you're ready to draw a nose. I like the way you're waiting. Nobody's eating a marshmallow. Make a little upside down curve there for the nose. Show me when you're ready for a mouth. I like the way you're waiting. I'm going to put a nice smile with a curve. Then I'm going to put a little curve at each end of that smile. So show me Mom's big smile. Show me when you're ready for Mom's hair. This time we're going to come across the top this way with some little scallop type of lines. Then we're going to come down some more scallops. Then we're going to come down with some more scallops. So do that much. Show me when you're ready to finish the hair. Then we're going to come back up over the top this way and all the way back down. So there's Mom's long hair. Show me when you're ready for a chin. I'm going to start from this side and go down underneath her mouth and up to this side with a curve. Show me when you're ready for Mom's neck. I'm going to make 2 lines down, put a curve at the bottom, and give her kind of a turtleneck. Okay. Show me when you're ready for Mom's dress. I like the way you're waiting. Let's come back up here next to the neck, and I'm going to make a curve that goes out this way. I'm going to make another curve that goes out this way. Show me when you're ready for the bottom of the dress. Now we'll come along with a curve like this. And show me when you're ready for Mom's legs. Let's come down here, come down in the center and make a curve this way, and make a curve this way. What's Mom missing? We left something off. Oh, she needs arms, doesn't she? Let's start from up here and make an arm here, and make an arm here. Now we could add some other things to Mom's dress. We can make some little circles and add some buttons. Maybe she has her hands in her pockets, so we could put a pocket on this side and a little pocket over here, so she's got her hands staying warm inside her pockets. Now when we label this, we want to know that this is a mom. So everybody say, Mom. What's the first sound you hear? And if we look up at the board and find Mimi Mermaid, how does she spell that? With an M. Now because I'm using the word mom as Mom's name, names start with capital, not small letters. So we're going to give Mom capital letters for her name. So I'll make a straight line down to start my capital M. Then I'm going to make an angle line going down this way. Another angle line coming down to a point. Then a straight line over here. Show me the next sound you hear in Mom. Mom. Oh, I like the way you pointed to your mouth. Ah, for Dr. Ollie Ostrich. So now let's make a circle for Ollie Ostrich's letter O. Now say the word Mom again. Mom. What do you hear at the end? So now we're going to make a lowercase or small m. We'll start with a straight line down, about the same height as our O. Then we'll give it a hump. Then we'll make another curve coming up, and M-O-M spells mom. Now mom is a noun, so we're going to put it in a circle and tie the string on. Now last time we drew a picture of a pop, so we're going to draw a pop again to go with mom. So come over here to this side of your page and show me when you're ready to do eyes. Let's come up here and make 2 circles for eyes, just like we did last time. Show me when you're ready for pupils. Let's put a dot inside each circle for the pupil. Show me when you're ready for a nose. And Pop's nose is just like Mom's nose. Show me when you're ready for a smile. Here's Pop's smile. Show me when you're ready for Pop's head. Let's go all the way around with a nice big circle. Show me when you're ready for Pop's hair. Okay, I'm going to make a curve here curve here, curve here. So there's Pop's hair. Show me when you are ready for Pop's collar. So I'm going to come down here and make an angle line. With a little space, make another angle line, and then make another angle line in the middle. Show me when you're ready for Pop's arm. And here he was waving again. So I'll come up here and give him some fingers. Come back down and in. Show me when you're ready for Pop's other arm. Come over for his shoulder again, and then we'll come down and add some fingers here at the bottom. And then we'll come across here for his body. Show me when you're ready for Pop's legs. We'll come down here, down, come across, a line down the center. Show me when you're ready for Pop's feet. And this time I've got just barely enough room for his feet, but if you ran out of room for his feet, that's okay. So how are we going to write Pop? Everybody say Pop. Oh, I like the way you're painting. How does Polly Panda spell that? Just like Mom, we're going to make a capital P because we're using it as his name. And then make a curve going out. Show me the next sound you hear in Pop. Pop. Oh, I like the way you're pointing to your mouth again, so let's put an O. Show me the last sound you hear in Pop. Pop. Oh, I like the way you're painting, so let's put a P. And P-O-P spells pop. Now there's another word that we can write with the sounds that we've learned, and that word is mop. So we're going to add a mop to our picture. So let's come down with two straight lines like this to start our mop. Let's connect them up at the top. We can put a little circle there. Let's make a little curve down here at the bottom. Now a mop has all of these strings hanging out, so you can just make some squiggly lines all over for the strings coming from your mop. What's the first sound you hear in mop? Mop. So just like Mom, except this time we're going to make lowercase letters. What's the next sound you hear in mop? Mop. Ah. What's the last sound you hear in mop? Mop. Mop. Oh, I like the way you're painting. Let's come straight down, add our curve. Now we can put the word mop in a circle and tie our string on. Now we could write two short sentences about our picture. So if Mom is using the mop, it could be like this. Let's copy the word mom again. So there's our M. Mom. And what does Mom do? Mom mops. Ah. And we need to put an S on the end. And that's a complete sentence, so we can put a period. So that says Mom mops, but is Mom the only one that can mop? No, Pop could also mop. So let's put Pop mops. So let's start with a capital P, because that starts his sentence and it starts his name. Pop. And just like we wrote here, Pop, and that's a sentence, so that gets a period. So this says Mom mops, Pop mops. So they're working together to clean up whatever messes might be made. And this says Mom, Pop, and mop. So now we've got lots of words that we're learning today. So you can practice writing those over and over and over again, and if you want to write a sentence about it, you can do that. And I thank you for joining me and drawing with me today, and I hope to see you in our next lesson.